Harley San Miguel, restoration scooter.
Old Bug Adventures coming at you. Blah, blah, blah. Hey everybody, Old Bug Adventures, Richard. So we got the scooter and the signals are not working, the horn's not working, tail light's not working, fuel gauge isn't working. I'm over here at Rosecrans and Atlantic, straight out of Compton. And I'm trying to get to La Habra, which is still like another 40 miles on this nice rainy day. So the Vespa just keeps stalling out, or I keep revving it to keep it won't idle. And you know, I guess this is what the mods feel like in England, having to ride around in the rain. Yay! We made it to Restoration Scooters. And Carlos is doing work on the bike.
All of them falling apart. Look at that.
Yikes. Yikes. Beautiful, but 21 23 window. Nice.
So this is
Got this one over here.
okay. This wire will most likely also need to be replaced because this was the initial issue. Because these other wires, I mean, these are all fucked too. I'm surprised it was running. But this was why it wasn't starting. This is all your this is all for the bike, like lights and all that shit. This is to make it run.
40 years old, I told you, electrical.
Yeah, but this is not part of the harness. The harness.
Yeah, no.
These are the harness wires and they look fine. This one is notorious for going bad on P's because it's for some reason it's made out of some different shit. Okay, so I need to get the thing and the puller. I don't know what kind of puller that is. Anyway, we'll pull that out. We'll take the stator out and rewire it. Thing, but I never like did anything, you know.
Oh yeah?
I don't post too much shit on YouTube. It's enough having to do it on like, Instagram and
Yeah. You gotta edit, upload.
Yeah.
The hardest part is the description.
Yeah.
You're telling people what's up.
Yeah.
I hate that.
Yeah, and then get people to look at it.
Oh, we never introduced you, man. You're Carlos.
Harley San Miguel, restoration scooter.
Oi, oi.
La Habra.
La Habra, California.
La Habra, California.
Restoration Scooters. Hey, look at that. We got this old car. It's like a Buick or something. Yeah, wooden spoke wheels. Can you see? The wooden spoke wheels. That old bumper. Cool. Yeah, old Jetta. Old Jetta. Now look at that. Look at that metal seat. See the dashboard? Yeah. That's a nice dash. I think it's a Buick. You can't, I don't know.
I was planning on using it for my workbench. I was like, well, how long has it been out there? 5 years, and well, you're not going to use it, bro.
Yeah.
How about I discount like 100, 200 bucks off the bill, and I'll take the bench.
Nice workbench.
Yeah. So they said, okay. And I was like, cool, I'm happy. Alright. Okay. So we got red wire again.
Here she comes.
She just wants to be here in the mix.
So how long that take?
Well, about 30 minutes and then an hour on the black wire.
An hour on the black wire because the Italian solder did not want to melt.
The bulletproof solder.
She's like, I gotta go pee pee.
You gotta go pee pee? Gotta go pee pee?
No.
Okay.
So I got number 2.
Number 2. No, she already did that. She only does that like twice a day.
All right, hopefully this works now.
What do you mean hopefully? Right? Well, we won't have any more problems from this thing, but there might be other problems somewhere else. All right, I gotta be back. I gotta get some tape.
Yeah, we still got Volkswagens on this channel. Nice windows. Oh, cool. So my YouTube channel is called Old Bug Adventures because I had the old Volkswagen.
Yeah.
However, I have the Vespa. Vespa is Italian for wasp, and a wasp is a bug. Right?
Yeah. So
it still works.
Old Wasp Adventures.
Out here right around in the rain. That's an adventure to get here.
Yeah. Now, the only thing is, I can't remember which red was which.
You didn't identify it?
I didn't.
I told you to put some tape on it.
I know. But it's part of this section, so I'm gonna say it's this. Like this green one, little. Okay, so white. They all need to be cut, and then these go to this thing. Yeah, so I'm gonna make them all like this green one because the green one seems to be about a little bit about the right size, because then there's that thing that goes over, so we'll leave it like that. Okay, just cut a little bit. I'll be back.
We're working. Okay, here we are 6 hours later, and it's really starting to get wet. Oh, I put you in there. Water. All right, cool. Gotta get a battery. Yeah, it does. It runs a lot better. All right, thank you, Carlos.
No problem, man. Anytime.
Restoration Scooters, that's where I go. Thank you, Carlos San Miguel. Good man. Right on. We are the Muds. We are the Muds. We are the Muds. No, just kidding. Just kidding.